Hello guys, so I've spent a fair amount of time working with both Fortinet and Sophos firewalls, and honestly, it's been eye-opening to see how each handles network security. If you're running an online business or managing infrastructure that supports revenue, these differences really matter when it comes to uptime, performance, and peace of mind. Starting with Fortinet, I really appreciate how unified everything feels in one box. The FortiGate NGFW gives you advanced protection, application control, SSL inspection, intrusion prevention, and VPN capabilities all within a single appliance, which reduces the need for multiple tools. This is especially useful if you want tight control over traffic, applications, and user behavior from one dashboard. The interface, especially with the newer FortiOS versions, is intuitive, and FortiView provides excellent visibility into traffic, making it easier to spot unusual activity or performance bottlenecks quickly. The performance is solid, and the ASIC acceleration really makes a difference when you're handling large amounts of traffic, such as during sales events or high-volume API activity. That said, the constant patching due to vulnerabilities can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're managing hundreds of firewalls across locations. It's a necessary wear and tear to stay secure, but it does take some time in planning, testing updates, and scheduling maintenance windows. For small to large enterprises, it's cost-effective and reliable, but you have to be prepared for those monthly updates and the steps required to stay compliant. If you have a dedicated IT or security team, this is usually manageable, but it's something smaller teams need to factor into their workflow. On the Sophos side, my experience was more about simplicity combined with effective protection. Sophos Firewall shines in environments where ease of management and centralized control are important, especially if security is not your core focus. In particular, the integration with Sophos Central makes monitoring and controlling firewalls, endpoints, and other devices straightforward, which can save a lot of time day to day. The interface is clean and intuitive, so you don't feel bogged down by complexity, which is great for teams that may not have deep security expertise. The firewall handles basic security functions well, and the central management makes deploying and monitoring across multiple sites much easier, especially if you're scaling locations or supporting remote teams. However, there are a few limitations I ran into. Users can bypass web and app restrictions using VPN proxies on laptops, which slightly reduces effectiveness in locked-down environments. Installing the Sophos supply chain certificate for deeper packet inspection can also be frustrating and not very user-friendly, which may slow down rollout if you're enforcing stricter security policies. Overall, if I compare my hands-on experience, Fortinet feels more feature-rich and powerful for advanced network security and visibility, but it comes with a bit of management overhead and frequent patching. Sophos feels more streamlined and easier to manage, especially in environments where you want centralized monitoring and a simple workflow for complex networks that still need granular control. I'd lean Fortinet, but for a balance of usability, efficiency, and solid protection, Sophos makes life a bit easier without compromising much on security. Both are strong options, but your choice really depends on whether you prioritize deep technical control or ease of day-to-day management as your business grows.